everyone, this is my Honda S2000 and today I'm going to be putting different wheels on it and just a quick little drive and make sure these wheels are balanced. And these are going to be very temporary because they're not wide enough for the car. But I have a flat tire and I'm waiting for new tires. I'm going to figure out which tires I'm going to get and what size I'm going to get, if I'm going to do 245 40s or if I'm going to do 255 40s. In the meantime, I do have these 5 zigging wheels. They're 17x7 plus 35 and they have 215 40 17s. They're way too narrow and the tire's way too small for the car. So they are probably going to look a bit off than what's on there right now. But this is going to give me time to be able to drive the car, wash the car, or do whatever I need with the car, so it doesn't sit on the flat tire and sit around for another 3 weeks until I make up my mind. And the car is slightly lowered, just enough that I can clear the wheel gap on the OEM wheels and tires, but it's probably not going to happen with these skinny tires, but we'll see here in a moment. Yeah, these wheels already look way too small for the car. Oh man. And we got the wheels on the car now, and man, it looks so good. I really wish the wheels were wider, but they're gonna look great for right now, and I'll probably end up leaving them on the car for a lot longer. But let's go ahead and get a cold start up and let's head out. Alright, that was a really weak exhaust, but I'm not gonna get the neighbors mad. So let's do another one real quick. Alright, that's enough. Noisy, I mean like the things that you can hear when you're driving inside the car, but I just never get bored of driving it. I want to see if I can pull off somewhere over here and show everyone the wheels. Alright, let's go ahead and show you guys what this looks like now. It looks a lot better than what I thought it was gonna look like. I think I'm digging the bronze and black look. I'm probably gonna rock them for a little bit longer than what I initially thought, unless I decide what tires I'm gonna get. And I don't know, the RPF ones look really good, but they're gold, and I think these are a little bit more subtle, and I kind of like it. You know, they kind of go pretty good with the carbon fiber top, because you can kind of see like the color of carbon fiber kind of goes along with it. And before I leave, I'll go ahead and get a sound clip. Right now on the S2000, I only have a carbon fiber top. I have the UK exhaust mod for the exhaust and the test pipe. It's an NVIDIA test pipe. And nothing really else. I want to get a supercharger for it once I find a good deal, or unless I decide I'm going to spend 5-6 grand on one. But as of right now, I'm not doing any bolt-ons like exhaust. It's really, unless you tune the car, it's not going to really do anything at all. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the exhaust clip of the UK exhaust mod. I like it a lot. It's one of my favorite sounding notes on the S2000. Next to the NVIDIA, I think it's Q300. But the NVIDIA sounds a lot raspy if you put a test pipe. This sounds really good with the test pipe, and it sounds too mellow without it. So I don't know, comment down below if you like it, but I really dig it. Okay, and this about wraps up the video. So thanks everyone for watching. Bye. Alright guys, so scratch that. We're not going to end the video. Instead, we're going to go ahead and get Dunkin' Donuts again and take you guys on a ride downtown.